you. And deep down, you already know why. It's not bad luck. It's not that people don't get you. It's because you've trained them not to. You let people walk all over you. You say yes when you mean no. You laugh at jokes that aren't funny just to fit in. And every time you do that, you tell the world, asterisk, my boundaries don't matter. Asterisk, you talk more than you act. You post about grinding, but you're not grinding. You promise change, but a week later, you're right back to scrolling. Right back to Netflix, right back to doing nothing. Respect isn't given, it's earned through consistent action, not wishful thinking. You avoid discomfort like it's a disease. You play it safe, stay in your bubble, and wonder why people don't see you as a leader. Nobody respects someone who's afraid to take risks. Here's the shift. Respect starts when you stop betraying yourself. When your words match your actions. When you set boundaries and actually enforce them. When you choose the uncomfortable truth over the easy lie. Stop begging for respect and start living like someone who deserves it. Because right now, the brutal truth is, you're not being disrespected. You're letting it happen.